Today, all the accused, that is 7 accused in assault case of Anwar Sheikh, were produced for the remand in Judicial Magistrate First Class. So Ricky Ornekar and Vipul Pattari were remanded for 10 days JC since their police custody remand was, 14 days police custody remand was over. And remaining 5 accused is Imran Harshvardhan, Sudan Tanawade and Viraj Karbotkar has been remanded for another 4 days police custody for interrogation. And today evening there are bail arguments on the bail application of all the accused persons and our further investigation is in progress in this case.